to pay with EBT on DoorDash. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with electronic benefit transfer card in your DoorDash account. First of all, you need to have EBT card handy with you, and if you don't have the EBT card then you won't be able to make payment using that. So first of all, in order to get yourself a EBT card, you have to apply for it, and once you get it, just copy the credentials of your EBT card, like your EBT card number, security code, CVC code and other details. And after that, once you have your EBT card details with you, just simply open your DoorDash account, and after opening your DoorDash account, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your DoorDash account, just simply go to the profile section from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply scroll down, and under the money section you will be able to see the option called payment settings. Just simply tap on it, and when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called add credit or debit card at the top. Just simply click on add, and over here just simply enter your EBT card details, like your card number, CVC code and other details. And once you have successfully attached your EBT card on your DoorDash account, then whenever you make any purchase on your DoorDash account, you will be able to make the payment using your EBT card quite easily. And that's how you will be able to pay with EBT on DoorDash. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.